Hello everyone, welcome to Michelle's Kusina and Mag-Sugba Ta Bai! Sugba ha, not Zumba! You are still in a cooking channel in Tagalog, mag-ihaw tayo, and in English, let's do some grilling. But we will add a little twist to our grilled pork, so please come and join me as I prepare this dish. I have here 2 slabs of pork belly which I cut into halves. I just marinated this with soy sauce, calamansi juice, seasoning, black pepper, and of course the garlic. Now let's set our charcoal on fire. Hello, fire dyan? Basta, just do what you're seeing on the video. I'm just quite so poor in explaining today. I'm sorry. Make sure your grill is super hot before putting the meat to avoid it from sticking, and it cooks the meat well. Did you know that the word ihaw in Cebuano ay kinakatay pa po ang baboy? Yes po. Kung sa Tagalog ay niluluto na ang karne, dito po sa amin sa Cebu ay kinakatay pa lang po. Well, I just gave you a short trivia. Ka-Ernie, ikaw ba yan? Now that our meat is done, let's take it off the grill. And of course, to balance our meat intake, let's add in some vegetables. Let's remove the seeds of the cucumbers. Then let's just cut it into cubes. Let's also remove the seeds of our tomato. It is best to remove the seeds because it will make our dish too watery. Let's chop a few onions and mince some ginger. Let's chop our perfectly grilled liempo. Now we will combine all of our ingredients. Let's season our coconut milk with salt and 2 taktak ng Ajinomoto. Mix it, and I will not add the calamansi yet because I worry it might curdle the coconut milk. Let's pour our coconut milk to our chopped vegetables. Let's mix it while pressing our chili for the kick of spiciness. If you don't want it spicy, then don't add chili. And we are almost done. Let's add in our grilled pork belly. Oops! Let's remove the rib, and that goes for my fur baby Sachiko. Cute mo! And to cap it off, let's add our calamansi juice. I actually really don't know the name of this dish. Inihaw na may gata? Or kilawin? Or gata sa inihaw? Oh well, all I know is this really tastes good. Please feel free to comment down below if you know the exact name of this dish. And please don't forget to like if you enjoyed, and subscribe, and click the bell button for you to get notified of our upcoming videos. Happy grilling, and see you next time!